Hey, okay. Today I'm going to show you some 3D mesh tools. Now the first thing I'm going to do is make a new document. Change my dimensions. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is choose a mesh from preset, which is over here in the 3D section. And the object I'm going to choose is a hat. I'm going to go ahead and click create. And this is my object. Now the first section over here is filtering by the whole scene. Here I can, if I have multiple objects, I can select those objects individually and change each individual object's attributes and change things about the scene. Here I can upload or select a different preset of my object. I can change the way my object looks. That's up here. Solid wireframe. But for now, I'm gonna just use the default. I can also change the way the object looks from here. Now the next section I'm going to go to is meshes, right here. For meshes, there are just shadows you can adjust or make your object invisible. And then the next object is materials. This is where a lot of the different manipulation will come from. Now here in this sphere, you can change the texture of the object. I'm gonna just change it into a regular fabric cotton. And diffuse is the color of the object. The color I want is a dark navy type blue color. Over here I can change a few more things about the object. I can change how much the object shines or reflects light. I can change the roughness of it. And the bump and roughness are just how much the ridges look, how deep the ridges look, and how much shadow they represent. And the opacity, which is how transparent or opaque your object is going to be. And then the light reflection or refraction of the object. And if you're done here, you go on to the final section, which is lighting. And here you can adjust where the direction of light is coming from. You can also add more lighting to the object. There's point lights, spotlight, and an infinite light. Just gonna add a new point light. You can also change the type of light from up here and type. A point light is light that comes from above. Now I have to zoom out because for some reason my lighting ends up way out of range. So I'm just going to bring this up. As you can see, the cast shadow, it's a little bit hard to see. It's kind of kind of light. The cast shadow moves around if you move the point light up or down. Changing it to a spotlight allows you to make it sort of like a beam of light. As you can see, the shadows are changing. It's sort of like a flashlight. And with that are all of the options for 3D mesh. I'm gonna show you real quick how to add a new object to this. Now, if you want to add another object to the scene, you can just click over here, this tab, click that, and add an object, add from preset. And I'm just gonna do a ring. Change my units to inches. And once again, my object is not in range, so I'll have to zoom out. Bring my object up. Now my object is way too big, so I'm going to scale it down a bit. And this seems more manageable. Now over here in this section, as I talked about earlier, this is where you can select the different types of object in the image, so you can work on each individual object. And so you have the same options to change the object. This is the way it looks in the different colors. I'm just going to change it, make it look like a gold ring. And that's how you add another object. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and look forward to more of my videos. Like, subscribe if you would like to, and I hope you have a great day.